Happy Tuesday. I want to talk to you today just a little bit about how exciting it is when I get a message from one of our clients that sat through one of our vision board classes about something that's actually come to fruition, something that they've manifested that was on their vision board. It is like, there's no feeling like it. I can't even explain it. Like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Other than that, it brings me such great joy to help people find what they're looking for in their life. And I absolutely love doing this. I love when somebody gets what they want. It makes me so happy. And I just want to thank you guys for listening to me and helping support us in this channel by liking and subscribing. And I want to thank everybody who has come to our classes. And I'm so thrilled to see all these fun and exciting things that are coming. I got a beautiful picture of an engagement ring that I remember the girl flipping through the magazine and she was just looking for this specific ring. And I think that her and her boyfriend were even broken up at the time when she came to the class, or that they were trying to figure out if that was really the next step that they wanted to make. And then to get that photo of the ring was just like, it was so fun and so exciting. I felt like I was part of that journey with them. So anyway, I'm sorry I'm rambling on. I'm just super excited about that. And I can't wait to see who else's vision boards have worked for them. So if you've been to one of our classes, make sure that you drop us a little heart in the box or let us know in the comments what's come into your life that you put on your vision board. And if you haven't been to one of our classes, maybe now's a good time to look into it. We do them every 21 days, and we are looking at creating a digital product for you that you can purchase the class in a digital form and watch it and do your vision board at home. But the classes are so fun and you really connect with everybody, and a live event just really brings the energy that you need to start to manifest things in your life. So I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll chat some more about all the different things that we do here at Epiphany. And until then, happy manifesting.